measuring wheel over here. We start from the center archway.
Careful with the cones.
Got the shovels unloaded.
All right, bring it left slowly
Watch the booth. Easy now.
and hold it right there. Kill the engine. Watch out, it's breaking apart. Move back, give it room.
All right, lift together. It's loose. Watch out below.
Okay, pull it tight. Is that exactly 10 meters?
Yes, exactly 10. Mark the line.
Keep that vibrator moving, don't stop.
All right, bring the chute over here. We're almost full on this side.
Watch your step, coming through. Easy, easy. Bring it down slow. All right, hold it right there. Let's bolt it up. All right, bring it up slowly. It's coming up.
Watch the crossbar.
Okay, lock it down. A little more to the left. Okay, hold it there. We need more mortar on this joint. Lower it easy, easy now. We're set. All right, firing up the impact wrench.
Easy, easy. Down a few millimeters.
Got it, it's perfectly aligned now.
Clamps are engaged.
Are you done carving this section yet?
Almost. Just finishing the deep crevices.
We need to start spraying the base coat soon.
Check the alignment on panel 7 here. No.
Looks good on the schematic. Surface feels smooth.
Look at that waterfall. It's incredible.
Yeah.
You're amazed.
It truly is. They've done a remarkable job with this place.